You are right, sir, answered the bird. He is my brother, but he has made friend with robbers. He now talks as they do. He doesn't talk to me anymore. Just then the rishi entered the ashram. Now, what happened? When the king uh, asked himself very loudly, he asked himself about the bird. The bird answered. After hearing the king, the bird answered. The bird told the king that he was right. The particular bird was his brother, which he saw in the which he saw near the robber's cave. He was his brother, but had befriended robbers. Okay, he too had become like them. The bird, the bird added here that also told him that he and his brother no longer talk to each other. Just, just then the rishi entered the ashram. Now, welcome, sir, he said to the king. Please come inside and make yourself at home. You look tired. Rest for a while, then you can share my food. The rishi greeted the king and requested him to come inside and be easy and be comfortable. He asked the king to be comfortable because he was very tired, he looked tired. That is why the rishi greeted him and requested him to come inside and be comfortable. He also offered to share his food. Now, the king told the rishi the story of the two birds and how each had behaved so differently. Though they looked so alike, the forest is full of surprises, he said. Now, the king explained the different behaviors of the two birds. One he saw near the robber's cave, and one he saw in the particular ashram, in the Rishi's ashram. Okay, the king explained the different behaviors of the birds who looked alike, looked same, but having different behavior. He added that the forest was full of such surprises. He told to king told to Rishi that the forest was full of surprises. Now, Now the holy man smiled and said, the holy man means the rishi. After all, one is known by the company one keeps. That bird has always heard the talk of robbers. The particular bird always heard the talk of robbers, which he saw in the near the robber's cave. He imitates them and talks about robbing people. This one has repeated what he has always heard. He welcomes people to the ashram. Now come inside and rest. I will tell you more about this place and these words. Okay, the rishi smiled and explained the impact of the company one keeps. Okay, so the bird who heard robbers were repeating their words, and the one who was with the rishi was speaking softly and was greeting the people. It as simple as that. In which type of company we live, we also perform like them. It is the simplest message from this story. Okay, so the rishi asked the king to take rest and offered to tell him more about the birds and the place. Okay, so this is all about the birds, how they separated and how they entered in different places and how they became different in nature because of their company, because one lived in different company of robbers, that is why he performed like them and he behaved like them, and other one lived in the company of rishi, that is why he behaves like a particular behave according to the particular place. Okay, so reading part has been finished. Question answer I will explain in next video. Till then, Stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.